Road Trip Box Breaks. Today, just happened to stop by Neighborhood Target, picked up a Topps Heritage 2019 high number blaster box. Last night actually had great luck. I picked up a random pack of Stadium Club and got a 1/1 Acuna Jr. Power Zone, which is pretty badass. But I'm gonna just rip into this here and see what we can get. They've been out of these for a while, just got them back in stock. Saves me the hassle of having to drive over to local card shop just to try to complete my set. So again, with this, we're looking at the, there's 7 packs, 1 extra 9 cards, so there's 72 cards per box. For those looking for the odds, there it is. Maybe we'll be lucky, we'll get an autograph. That would be fantastic. So, there we go. Let's get this show on the road. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Monday. So, I'm going to start it off. Avila, Kelly, Nunez, Joe Connor, Now and Then, nice. Mayhew, Mark Garrett, Buxton, and Barnes. All cards that I haven't seen yet, need to complete the high number set. It's funny, you get down a rabbit hole real quick and say, well, what the hell, may as well make a set out of it, right? So, Chisenhall, Walker, Zimmer, Trevor Cahill, Teran Guerrero, Realmuto, Garcia, Brantley, Ruiz. Hoping to at least get a short print, maybe a variation. See how the luck is feeling today. So I can't go up any higher than a 1/1 Acuna, but we'll give it a go. Means Lecrae, Gibson, Happ. Nice rookie performer, Pete Alonso. Take that. AJ Pollock, Matt Adams, Craig Kimbrell. It is not the traded one, but take the Alonso. Big fan this year. It's coming a lot from a Red Sox fan, but he's a hell of a ball player. Josh Fontes, Dozier, Mariano, Justice Sheffield, opposite the track, Verlander and Altuve. It's a cool card. Brebbia, Culverson, Christian Walker, Alexander. I don't know what it is about the archives. They're nothing special, but I just like the simplicity of them. Just enjoyable to open. Oh, what do we got? Nice, and Fernando Tatis, Star Candy. That's pretty cool. I'll take that. Bolt, Alfaro, Cabrera, Eddie Murphy, Pomerantz, Kingham, Bishop, Cavillo. It's funny, I feel like some of these packs are just identical, the way they place them together. Opened up a hanger last week and it was literally that pack verbatim, the first cards out of the gate. So, here's what it is. Got 3 packs left. Start with this. Tanner Roark, Familia, Moore, Wade Miley, Gio Gonzalez, Kissenhira, rookie, nice. Cal Quantrill, rookie, Woodruff, and Sanchez. Round of the bases. Garcia, Salsa, Scalvini, Sanducci, Bregman Award winner, Profar, Zimmer, Sonny Gray, and Dietrich. And the last pack out of this 7-card blaster. Trevor Richards, Caleb Smith, Santana, McCutchen, Austin Meadows, nice. Alvarado, nice. Tatis rookie, sweets. And David Robertson. So overall pretty cool, not bad. $20 pick. Got the Tatis candy lid, which is pretty cool, as well as a rookie and Alonso. So overall, I'm happy. For 20 bucks, can't go wrong. Be sure to tune in. Might be a few days before we get back into some packs, but don't forget to subscribe and please comment. Let us know what you'd like us to see bust open. We'll be due to grab a hobby box soon. We might be doing the Bowman Chrome coming up soon. So thanks for tuning in.